Using a 13mm socket, go ahead and remove our ground terminal nut here. I'll go ahead and spin the terminal loose, work that off and set it aside. Let's go ahead and loosen our positive terminal here. I'll go ahead and loosen and remove this here. Using an 8mm socket and extension, we're going to go ahead and remove this bolt here. This is our battery wedge or hold down block. Okay, to remove that, set that aside. Go ahead and grab our battery. Go ahead, lift it up, set it aside. I'll go ahead and install our pulley puller. I'm just going to set that there for now. Let's go ahead and remove our belt. I'll go ahead and use our 15mm socket here and our ratchet. Push down on the tensioner. Go ahead and release the belt. Slide that off around here. Let's go ahead and use our pulley puller and work this off. We're going to line our pulley up. And go ahead and thread our tool on here. So at this point here, we're going to go ahead and loosen our tool. What we want to check is we want to make sure that our hub of our pulley is flush with the shaft. We have a little bit to go, so we're going to reinstall the tool and continue to tighten this down a little bit. We put our screwdriver through the pulley to keep the shaft from spinning on the pump itself. And tighten this up a little more. What we're looking for is the pulley shaft should be flush with the flange, and ours is pretty much perfect. So go ahead and get your belt lined up, release that tensioner. Make sure that your belt is lined up on all of the pulley grooves. Now we did remove our battery for this here. It's just going to give us that much more room to do this job. Let's go ahead and reinstall that battery. Let's lower our battery down in a position. Slide it over. Go ahead and position our battery hold down. Good there, line that up. Get our bolt drop down inside there. Now this wedge is designed just to hold your battery down into the tray. So once you feel that start to snug down, we're pretty much good where we need to be. Feels good there. I'm going to give our battery a good tug, and that is hold it good in place. Going to install our positive battery terminal. Let's go ahead and snug that down. Once we have that's tight, let's go ahead and grab our negative terminal, pop that on. Let's go ahead and tighten down this side. And once that snugs down, you're all set.